first, man it hurts. I'm on this earth with my words and I put them all together, insert, cause I wanna have worth. Working hella hard till they put me in the dirt. Gonna go far, man, listen to my words. Gonna be a star, man, life's like a blur. When you're working this hard, till you get the closer. Yeah, I ain't taking a backseat, I'm passive. Anybody else who is rapping, I'm nasty. Ain't nobody able to catch me, they gasping. They cannot compare, they can't match me, I'm an athlete. I got your girl and she laughing and dancing, hanging on my butt, she asking to crash with me. Smash with me, she savage, she wants cash money, and she knows that I live lavishly. I'm cold, all I have just to feel alive. I fight to live, I fight to strive. One day I'll have what I want. The whole world in the palm of my hand, I got a plan, I'm the man. Now I'm teaching the game, a veteran, better than anybody else who tests me. I'm ready, looking in my hand and it's steady. I'm trending, ascending and blending, lyrical bending. They'll sing my name out now, yeah they hear me. All the crowds repping the sound, taking the ground, running, ain't nothing, yeah we see it, I've been 100, no budget, nothing to something, I ain't nothing. I got a full hand and a full plan, I ain't gonna stop till I'm at the top, man. First tune, yeah, I wanna live, I'm cold inside, give all I have just to feel alive. I fight to live, I fight to strive. One day I'll have what I want in life. About to take down, you already know. Get the fuck out of my face now, gotta go. Man, I'm on the chase now, leave me on my own. I got a chance to break now, go. Control of fate now, I can go down. And I know that I'll be great, putting on a show. I know that I'ma stay proud, drowning out the nose. The haters always thinking that they could fucking break me. They're better off eating their own words like pastries. Hate me, and you better find some safety. I'm coming in, I like First the bad bitch and pasties. They can't save me, no I ain't lazy, no. But society has me going so crazy, yo. Don't blame me, no my mind's hazy, yo. And I'm sick of me feeling this way daily. First tune. Every time they doubt you, make that shit about you. Forget about the clout, yo. Fuck the word of mouth, yo. Keep your head down, yo. Work until you're down, yo. Fight until you make it, yo. Don't think it, no, just take it. For someone to break it, take control and don't just take it. You can make it happen, you just gotta take some action. You shouldn't be the captain, head on out and don't look back, yo. Just live life to live, and I will not forgive. Yeah, all day and all night we'd stay up, it was so right. We were so young, we were so dumb. We'd get drunk and then hook up. We were okay, we were alright. Staying awake till the sunrise. We were in love, couldn't stop us. Like a good drug, never enough.
We hook up in my car, drive it so far. Play your guitar, you'd show me your art. Lay down our guards, think with our hearts. Stare at the stars, we were never apart. Way too young, way too much fun. Out in the sun, orbit when it's gone. Took you to prom, dance to our song. Dance all night long till the lights come on.
First Doom.
Remember everything and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be. Nights, long fights, it felt right.